Welcome, Warriors. I'm Blake the Airsoft Warrior, and you're watching Airsoft Warrior TV. In this game at Tulsa Indoor Airsoft in Tulsa, Oklahoma, I'm playing the bucket round. The goal is for one of my team to sit on the bucket for 2 minutes. He can't move the bucket, and he can only rotate in a circle to fire. Teammates can absorb hits to keep him from dying.
Enemy down. Enemy down. Hit. Enemy down. Where's the bucket at?
Right there.
Okay.
Like literally.
Right up.
Got him. I'm gonna go this way.
Okay. Enemy down. Buckets on right side. Where you at, man? Where you at? Hit. Let's go. Enemy down.
You'll notice how I can see the enemy's shadow on the ground, so I know he's still there. Be sure to watch out for this, because this can be a big giveaway to your position in a CQB environment.
Enemy down. Give him fire support. Enemy down.
After that last kill, I focus on this unique shooting angle this position has that allows me to go on a killing spree.
Enemy down. Enemy down. Enemy down. Enemy down. Hit. Yeah, let's go. Hit me down. Watch that right side. Watch your right, watch your right. Hit me down. Times 2, I believe. Hit. Okay. Let's go. Safety. Oh, you did, man? Yeah. Okay. Sorry, man.
After getting stealth killed by that enemy, I'm very cautious of that corner and make sure I watch it very closely, as you'll notice throughout the rest of the video.
Hit.
Now that the enemy team is using the shooting angles on the field, I decide to go find the bucket and see what I can do to support my team there.
Let's see what we can get here. Okay.
Hey, Newberg, well, fought behind that green screen. Well fought. He's probably moved by now. Off the ground, guys.
Enemy down. There he is. I'm watching 9. Guy on 9, guy on 9.
While trying to call in more of my teammates to help give me a meat shield, I notice that the enemy shadow is on the floor and they're very close to taking me out.
Come on, guys, come on. Hit. Let's go. You want me to follow you?
He's out in here somewhere.
Okay. I'm gonna go right and see if I can get a visual on him. Okay. Whoa, man, behind you. There we go. True, true. Hit. Ooh. They're definitely on the right. They're all in those barrels, yeah. There's one. Enemy down.
Show your face, dog!
Enemy behind this barrel. 12 o'clock. We're gonna need meat shields.
At this point in the round, the battery in my gun starts to die, and I notice that I'm losing more and more rate of fire, and my BBs just aren't flying as far. So I have a decision to make: stay in the round with my primary gun down, or go back to staging and get a new battery.
Gun is red, gun is red.
After alerting my team to the fact that my gun's down, I decided that I still want to be effective, so I try to move up and get on the bucket, even though time is quickly running out.
Hit.
There, shot. Red?
Yeah, my gun is red, man. I don't have any power.
That's what?
My gun's red. It doesn't have any power.
Wow.
Yeah.
And that's the end of my bucket round at Tulsa Indoor Airsoft in Tulsa, Oklahoma. If you want to learn more about Tulsa Indoor Airsoft, visit my website at AirsoftWarrior.net. Again, I'm Blake the Airsoft Warrior, and thank you for watching Airsoft Warrior TV.